Okay, I'm Kyle. I'll teach you how to do Sweet Child of Mine intro. Okay, come here. Here. You watch. First, we will call this. We're going to use 4 strings only. 4 strings down. So we're going to call this first circle zone, second circle zone. Then this is first zone, second zone. First, you put your ring finger, second string, first circle zone. Then you put your pointer finger, fourth string, second circle zone. It will sound like this. After that, put your middle finger here, like that, first zone, third string. Then put your pointer finger here, for second circle zone, third string. Put your ring finger down here, first circle zone, fourth string. Then middle finger back again, first zone, third string. Then down here, it will sound like this.